viewers, welcome to our Facebook live session. Today we have with us our specialist, Dr. Lakshman Jasani, consultant, infectious disease at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai. He comes with over 10 years of experience in the field of infectious disease. Today, in this live session, we'll be discussing about what is cytokine storm. Welcome to our live session, Doctor.
Thank you.
The first question is, what is cytokine storm? Can you explain?
Cytokine storm is basically an aggressive inflammatory response which is associated with the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines such as interleukin 6, interleukin 1, TNF-alpha, and basically it causes a severe inflammation. And this severe inflammation is associated with multi-organ failure, it is associated with acute lung injury which may progress on to ARDS, and cytokine storm is associated with death as well, high mortality. So in short, cytokine storm is nothing but release of pro-inflammatory cytokines which results in a pro-inflammatory state, and this pro-inflammatory state can cause end organ damage, especially which is triggered off by infections such as right now what we are seeing triggered off by COVID-19 infection.
So the role of cytokine storm is severe in COVID-19?
Yes. So patients with COVID-19 who are of the severe category. So we divide COVID-19 patients into mild, moderate, severe. So those in the severe category of COVID-19 patients, there we have seen there is an association with the cytokine storm. And in these severe COVID-19 patients, there is excessive release of this pro-inflammatory cytokines which results in end organ damage, acute lung injury as well. So there is a correlation between severe COVID and the cytokine storm.
So doctor, can preventing cytokine storm ease severe COVID-19 symptoms?
So there is no one particular drug which we can prevent the cytokine storm, because we need to know that we cannot predict cytokine storm. We know that severe COVID patients are associated with cytokine storm. So in severe COVID patients we give steroids. So these steroids maybe can prevent the cytokine storm, but we have seen still that despite giving steroids, patients who are having severe COVID infection go on to develop cytokine storm, and then we have to use another drugs to prevent the cytokine storm.
So what problems do cytokine storm cause?
So as I mentioned, we have to understand what is cytokine storm. In cytokine storm, there is a release of pro-inflammatory cytokines such as interleukin 6, interleukin 1, TNF-alpha. So what does these cytokines do? These cytokines go and attack the end organs. So what are the end organs they attack? They attack the lungs, which causes acute lung injury which may progress to ARDS. They may affect other organs as well, such as liver, kidney and other organs as well, so which results in multi-organ failure. So cytokine storm mimics a picture of a severe sepsis and septic shock. So that is how multi-organ failure occurs, and that ultimately leads to death.
So doctor, is anyone more at risk for cytokine storm prompted or exposed by COVID-19?
So unfortunately, we do not know any predictors that which patient will go into cytokine storm, which patients will not go into cytokine storm. But we know that cytokine storm is associated with severe COVID infections. So all the patients who are having severe COVID infections, we need a close observation whether they are going into cytokine storm or not. So in such severe COVID infections, we make sure that we send their interleukin 6 levels, we send their ferritin levels, we send their D-dimer levels, because these levels are elevated in cytokine storm. So in patients who are having severe COVID and these inflammatory markers are raised, we know that they may be going into cytokine storm, and we can start the treatment early so as to prevent further complications related to cytokine storm.
So doctor, how do we treat the inflammation for cytokine storms?
So friends, the important thing to understand is what are the cytokines which are released. So one of the important cytokines which are released in cytokine storm is the interleukin 6. So interleukin 6, we can prevent it by using a humanized recombinant interleukin 6 receptor antagonist, which we know is called as a tocilizumab. So with the use of tocilizumab, we can prevent the high levels of interleukin 6, and that way we can prevent cytokine storm. So the treatment for cytokine storm in many cases is usage of tocilizumab as an antagonist for interleukin 6.
So what about preventing the cytokine storms?
So as I told you earlier, we don't know which patients will go into cytokine storm, but severe COVID patients are known to go into cytokine storm. So the only way to prevent is having a close monitoring. So close monitoring of the inflammatory mediators such as ferritin, D-dimer, interleukin 6. When we monitor these closely, when we see a rise in these inflammatory mediators, we know that the patient is going into cytokine storm, and we can start the treatment early. This is the only way in which we can prevent cytokine storm.
Thank you, doctor. Would you like to give any small message on how to prevent and stay safe?
Well friends, it's very important in the era of COVID that we use the usage of masks. Face masks are very essential. Hand rub, free usage of hand rub and frequent hand washing is very essential. Maintain social distancing at a distance of 3 feet or 1 meters. So social distancing, wearing of mask, frequent hand sanitization, these are important measures to prevent COVID transmission and which will help you in not acquiring the COVID disease.
Thank you, Doctor, for joining this session. Dear viewers, if you have any question related to this topic, please drop your questions in the comment box and we'll address it to Dr. Lakshman Jasani. Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah, thank you.